Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a common challenge many businesses face: communication overload from their customers' queries. We'll show you how GoHighLevel's unified inbox can be your ultimate solution. So let's dive in. If you're overwhelmed by customers' questions flooding in from emails, SMS, phone calls, voicemails, social media, you're not alone. This is what we call communication overload, and it's a real challenge. Communication overload can lead to missed opportunities, poor customer service, and even lost revenue. This is where GoHighLevel comes to the rescue with its unified inbox feature, which is available on both desktop and mobile. Imagine having a single inbox where you can manage two-way emails, SMS, phone calls, and even your social media messages. That's the power of GoHighLevel's unified inbox. So why is a unified inbox so crucial? Well, it's simple. It streamlines your communication, making sure that nothing falls through the cracks. You can categorize your messages, set reminders, and even automate your responses. It's like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7. Businesses that have switched to GoHighLevel's unified inbox have reported quicker response times, higher customer satisfaction, and an increase in sales. That's it for today, but before you go, if you want to experience the power of GoHighLevel's unified inbox firsthand, I've got something special for you. Head over to my website to get started with my free Quick Start Playbook for GoHighLevel. We'll even set you up with a free trial and provide you with all the training and templates you need to get started with a unified inbox and much more. So don't miss out. Click the link below to take the first step towards simplifying your digital marketing. And if you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more actionable insights. See you next time.